Hi everyone! So in this video, we are going to create or map our customer's journey. So ano ba yung customer journey? Ito yung mga pinagdadaanan ng isang customer bago sila bumili. So for example, we are going to do outbound. So as you know, outbound is tayo yung nag-reach out, right? So number 1 is ito yung gagawin natin. Lagyan natin ng circle. Mas malaki. And so for example, we find a lead and we send a social media audit. Kasi yan yung strategy natin, di ba? Ay, sorry. So what we do is send a SOCMED audit. Okay. So pagkatapos mong masend yung social media audit, ano yung nangyayari? Dalawa yung pwedeng mangyari eh. Either mabasa niya or mapunta sa spam. Right? So ano yung pwedeng gawin natin kung mapunta siya sa spam? Pwede natin siyang ilagay sa DM natin, or we will send her a DM na parang what we're going to do is send her a DM and let her know we emailed. Okay, yan yung gagawin natin. What if nabasa niya? Ano yung mangyayari pag nabasa niya? So, dalawa yung pwedeng mangyari pag nabasa niya to. First is, she will, kunwari yan, na-open niya, she will ignore. So, anong nangyayari pag i-ignore mo siya? Siyempre, depende na yun sa inyo. Kalimutan, forget, or nurture. Next, kung nabasa niya, so, yung isang tendency nun is, she will ignore, right? So, yung pangalawang pwedeng mangyari pag nabasa niya na yun is, of course, she is interested. So, kung interesado siya, anong gagawin niya? She is going to email you or reply or book a call. Right? So, pag nag-book siya ng call, ano yung kasunod na mangyayari? You will have a discovery call. Pag feeling mo, right fit kayo ni client, ano yung mangyayari? You will say yes and send a proposal. Paano pag sa discover call, nalaman mo na hindi pala kayo fit? So, what will you do? You will say no, of course, and refer the client to someone else. Okay? Lagyan natin ng line para di kayo malito. Ayan. So, again, nag-start tayo sa social media audit. Sinenda natin siya ng social media audit. Pagkatapos nun, nabasa niya. So, pag nabasa niya, dalawa lang yung pwedeng mangyari. I-ignore niya or magiging interesado siya. So, pagkatapos, kung maiinteresado siya, ano yung mangyayari? She will email you, she will reply, or she will book a call. Pagkatapos nun, pag nag-book na kayo ng call, syempre may DC, di ba? Sa discovery call. So, dun mo malalaman kung kaya mo ba siyang tulungan o hindi. What if hindi mo siya kayang tulungan? Of course, you will say no and refer the client to someone else. If kaya mo siyang tulungan, you will say yes and send a proposal. Correct? So, anong mangyayari pag nag-send ka na ng proposal? Let's move here para hindi tayo masyadong masikip dyan. So, dalawa lang yung pwedeng mangyari pag nag-send ka ng proposal. Right? So, first one is say yes or agree or no. Or kung meron mang maybe, it could be negotiate or counter offer. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng counter offer? Ibig sabihin nun, for example, yung offer mo kay client ay 2K, hindi niya kaya. So, nag-counter offer siya ng 1.5. Okay? So, what happens if nag-send ka ng proposal? So, either sagot niya ay no. Yan. So, ano yung mangyayari pag no? Syempre, balik ka na naman dun sa nurture. Right? Paano pag sinabi niyang negotiate or counter offer? So, dalawa yung pwedeng mangyari pag mag-negotiate siya or magka-counter offer. Ano yung pwede mangyari? Of course, you will either say yes or no. Depende na yun sa inyo. So, that's the ending. Now, if nag-say yes si client dun sa proposal mo and okay yung budget, afford niya, then of course, what's the problem there? Walang problema. You will proceed to the process. So, for example, ano yung magiging process mo? That's wherein, ito na yung sinabi ko kanina or in the past module about the social media manager's journey. So, syempre, dito na yung contract signing, diba? The invoice, dito na siya papasok. Yung, ano pa ba? Onboarding, deliverables, everything. Yan. So, pagkatapos mong ma-deliver yan, pag close deal na, for example, nabayaran, tapos ka na, na-perform mo na lahat, there will be 2 things na pwedeng mangyari. Client will continue with the service, or she will leave. Ganun lang. And what happens if she will leave? Of course, you have to ask. Why? Kasi, hindi naman sa pinipigilan natin sila. Asking why will actually help us to, improve our services. Diba? So, ayan, pag nag-continue siya sa service mo, edi syempre, same pa din. You will do the deliverables and the research or the RPDCSM process. So, this is how you create a customer's journey. Magma-map out ka ng isang customer journey. Okay? So, always start with where she comes in. Kung ano yung una mong ginawa to reach out to her. Alright, so in this part, let's try inbound. I'm so sorry for my penmanship. Yan. So, kunwari inbound. Ibig sabihin ng inbound, diba? Sila yung nag-reach out. So, let's start with the circle. Client reached out via email. So, ano yung mangyayari pag nag-reach out si client? Syempre, of course, may idea ka na kung ano yung need niya. For example, sabi niya, "Hi Katch, I need help with social media management. Can I schedule a call with you?" So, ayan. So, ang mapupuntahan nun is, isa lang muna, for now, discovery call. Or, you say no. Ayan. So, pag nag-no ka, syempre wala na mangyayari. Pag nag-DC ka, dun mo malalaman kung ano yung problem ni client. So, if you can help him, syempre, sa DC na discover mo na you can help him. You can help send proposal. Diba? If you cannot, if no, anong gagawin mo? Kasi what if social media management nga, pero kailangan niya ng social media manager sa pet industry, which is something you're not familiar with. So, if you say no, then try to refer. Always try to refer. Okay. So, ayan, proposal na naman. So, pag proposal, I'm going to transfer it here para, malaki yung space. So, kunwari, client reach out via email, natanggap mo yung email niya, so, nag-schedule kayo ng DC or hindi ka nag-schedule kasi di mo siya bet. And then, what happens kung nag-schedule ka ng DC, syempre, dalawa yung pwedeng mangyari. If you can help him or you refer him to someone else. Okay, so let's just say na kaya mo siyang tulungan. So, what you're gonna do is send a proposal, right? If mag-send siya ng proposal or mag-send ka ng proposal sa kanya, ano yung mangyayari? She will reject yes, or counter offer. Kagaya ng kanina. Okay? So, if yes, syempre, proceed ka na dun sa onboarding. The contract, the invoice, everything. So, ayun na. Same lang siya ng ending dito. 'Di ba? Like, after the deliverables, it's either she will leave or continue with the service. Okay? So, ganun siya. Dapat alam mo. Kasi, what if ang dami mong customers na hanggang dito lang sa book a call, pero hindi sila sumusulpot sa DC. So, there must be something about your strategy. Gagawan mo siya ng strategy. Bakit hanggang bookings na sila, hindi sila sumisipot sa calls? 'Di ba? How about, siguro, what if sumisipot sila sa calls, pero lagi kang nakakatanggap ng counter offer? 'Di ba? So, you will come to think, bakit kaya ang dami kong natatanggap ng counter offer? Is it because sobrang mahal ng course ng services ko? Is it because hindi nila nakikita yung value na kaya kong ibigay? Or is this because of I'm attracting the wrong clients, or I'm reaching out to the wrong clients? 'Di ba? So you start to question yourself. Bakit dito ka nasa stuck? Ano yung problema? Okay? So pwede ding nasa stuck sila dito. Like, nakabili nga sila pero 1 month lang sila sa'yo. So, there must be something wrong with your services dito. Baka dito ka nagkamali. 'Di ba? So, mapping out this kind of strategy or map or customer map actually helps you to figure out kung saan ka nagkulang. This will help you increase or improve your program or your offers or services, ganon. So, I want you to create something like this for your inbound and your outbound. Okay? I know it's some kind of, similar to this, but still, I want you to create it. Iba kasi pag ikaw talagang sumulat at ikaw yung mag-isip kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari kung gagawin mo yan, ano yung pwedeng mangyari kung gagawin mo ito, ano yung pwedeng mangyari kung ito yung piliin niya. Okay? So, definitely please create your customer map. Okay? So, ayan. I trust you, trust me, this will really help you in the future. So, ayan, I'll see you in the next video.